This is my newest camera. It's the Fuji X100VI, and it is the worst camera that I have bought in the past 5 years. Now you might be wondering, Brady, what are you comparing it to? Well, I've bought 5 other cameras in the past 5 years. Danny's shooting with one right now, the Canon C500 Mark II. This right here is the Sony A1. In the podcast studio over there, you'll find a Sony A7S III, Sony FX30. In my home office, you'll find a Sony FX3. So what makes those cameras objectively better than the Fuji? Well, where to begin? The autofocus, dynamic range, and battery life in this camera are all inferior to every other camera that I mentioned. This camera has a fixed lens, so one focal length, can't change it. The grip is too small, the menu system is not intuitive, the audio input requires a converter, and yet, despite all of that, I am having more fun with this little camera than any other in a very long time. Why? I think 2 reasons. First is perception. This camera is small and the design is not intimidating to others. So it makes the perfect camera for this YouTube video series because we can take it anywhere and it's not a distraction. You know, people think, oh, a cute little point and shoot. All the while, I'm shooting 4K, 10-bit log. They would never know. And then the second thing is the zero effort photography. I'm shooting JPEGs in this thing using the baked in film emulations of the camera. I'm transferring those photos directly to my phone using Bluetooth, no Lightroom, no turnaround time. That workflow is entirely refreshing. For accessories, I've got this green VKO camera rope strap and I've paired that with this small rig leather case. And then I've got a 1/8 intensity Tiffin Black Pro Mist filter permanently on the front lens. So yes, inarguably, based on specs, this is the worst camera that I've purchased in the past 5 years. And yet, it is so, so fun. So we're here in Toronto. I'm taking pictures right now of Mitch with a wrestling belt. Alex, why am I doing this?
I'm not really sure. No, I'm kidding. Listen, this is how it happened. So I learned that one of the WWE's main events was going to be here in Toronto this year, not far from home. So I texted you and let you know. You were away at the time, and within minutes you had texted back a picture of a receipt for 4 tickets, enough for you and me, for Mitch, and for Kyle.
Yeah, so I was in line at Disney World. Mitch and I were college roommates, and we basically forged our friendship by watching wrestling. At first, ironically, then eventually, not so ironically. So we were watching WrestleMania this year, hosted a party, invited Alex, invited Kyle. Weeks after, you guys are still talking about wrestling. So when this came up, Mitch and I had never been to a live event, felt like the perfect time. Look, I'm as shocked as you are that we're here. We don't really know what to expect, so we'll see. Okay, cheers. Welcome to Josh's farewell party. Dear God, I'm just so grateful for the time that we got to spend together as a team with Josh. Truly, in every conversation that I've had with him, it's been impressed upon me how much he loves you, how much he loves churches. All right, Josh, love you, man. I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. We'll see you again.
Okay. Cheers, everyone.
Some people has to keep this company afloat. Watermelon. Trying.
Crap.
Oh yeah, that's the one. You got the one eyebrow.